So guys, you welcome once again on this channel, and in this video we are going to talk about Apex cross progression. I think some of you are facing this problem on your device, and let's explain or talk something small about it. If you have any question, you can also ask me in the comment section. So let's continue. Cross progression has finally hit some players in Apex. The Apex community has gone absolutely over the last couple of days about cross progression. Everybody getting angry that they have not got it yet, but Respawn did confirm it will be rolling out in waves during season 19, and now I cannot confirm the first person has received cross progression, and other sources have said that the first wave is out today. So let me know in the comment section, as I already told you, if you are facing this cross progression on your Apex game. Obviously I did not know how it works. I don't know how they decide who get it. Going to be random. Don't start on linking any of your account to EA or anything like that, or else you're gonna get your everything or items lost. Yes, you're gonna lose everything if you try to link it to certain website or any other thing. Just chill, let it come naturally. Don't get too hard to work over it, or else maybe it might spoil everything in your account. So you have to just want to confirm everybody has cross progression now. So it looks like it's rolling out today, so they are working on it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any help or anything for my people, and I'm going to work hard to bring up more updates about this issue. This video can help us figure out what percentage of people go or got it. I don't really think loads of people will necessarily get it straight away, but hopefully you do anyway. Yeah, that is that. And new cross progression is here, and some players have it in their issue. So guys, as I said, let me know in the comment section if you have any help. Also, if you're facing it, just let me know how it is, and I think we are going to discuss this if I get new update. Thanks very much for clicking on this video. Share this video with your friends, and also remember this or note this: do not link your account to any other website or any other thing, or else you're going to lose your items in the game. Peace. See you in my next one.